Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is build a tree map with Tableau. First of all, what is a tree map? We use tree maps to display data in nested rectangle. It looks like a pie chart, but it's more useful and more accurate. So first of all, remember, Tableau, there is no Tableau type file. So we need another file to open in Tableau. Usually we use Excel. So this is our Excel file. And I just grabbed the income statement from Refinitiv Icon. By the way, we have a lot of Refinitiv Icons videos on in our channel. So there is also a playlist called Refinitiv Icon, very useful database, and income statement from 10 years, from 2012 to 2021. So a lot of info here, and let's combine it into a tree map. So first in a pie chart, and then a tree map. So let me move it. And then let me open my Tableau. So Tableau. So where is our file? So which file do we want to connect? So Microsoft Excel, name Tableau. And by the way, the Tableau and Excel file, they are free to download and the link is in our video description. But remember, Tableau is not a free software. It's free for college, faculty members, and students, but not free for all. So go on Tableau website to check it. So we are working with Coca-Cola data. So we just move Coca-Cola here and we have our field names and our dates and the company Coca-Cola and so on. So we are good. So let's go. What do we want? So to create a pie chart or a tree map, the column is the names of our fields. So that is what we call the field name. A lot of field names here. And the row, our numbers. So our numbers will be 2021 here. Okay, based on this data, Tableau suggests us to use this bar chart or column chart. But no, because we don't need all of these names. If we go to the pie chart, look at how ugly they are. So no. How do we filter it? Field name, go on filters. We will not be working with, we will be working only with the totals. So none. So let's start with our revenue. So we will be working with a standard income statement. Revenue, cost of goods sold, and general and selling and administrative expenses. And then the operating income. So first of all, where is the revenue? Revenue, where are you? Revenue from goods and service. This is our first field. The second one, the cost of revenue. Cost of revenues total. The third one, selling general and administrative expenses. Where are you? Selling general and administrative expenses total. And then operating income or operating profit. Operating profit before non-recurring income expense. So this is how Coca-Cola names it. Apply. Whoa, now we are much better with a regular pie chart. If we want to add the numbers here, just grab the numbers and go on label. We have our numbers. But okay, these are our revenues. Not pretty, not a good name. And then the title here is the standard is the title of our sheet. So let's call it Treemap. And okay, we wanna edit here. Treemap Coca-Cola 2021. Cool. I want to center it. Just come here and center. Or bold it. Apply. And we are good. But let's change it. Let's go to the Treemap. Come here. Treemap. A lot of rectangles. Whoa, and now they are much better. Our revenue here, cost of revenue, selling, general, and administrative expenses, and operating profit before non-recurring income expense. Or let's add our numbers. Label. Label here. Here we have our numbers. And what if we want the uh, vertical analysis and then see that revenue is exactly the half of it, and that is perfect. Here we have our revenue, and where is it going? Part of it is going to cost of revenue, part of it is going to selling, general, and administrative expenses, and part of it is going to operating profit. So if we sum 11 plus 15 plus 12, it will be 38. So we can add here, much easier to look at, right? However, I also want the number here in percentage. How do we do? Come here on label, click here, quick table calculation, percent of total, and then the label again. Wow, they are not on this order. So okay, this is 50% of our numbers, 19% of total, 15% of the total, 14% of the total. Okay, I wanna check the percentage on revenue. So there are two ways to do that. The first one, we delete revenue. So okay, the 100% is the revenue. So we come here, field, edit filter, and we delete our revenue. Apply. Okay, now cost of revenue is 39% of the total. The cost of revenue is 39% of our revenue. Operating profit, 28%. The operating margin is very high on Coca-Cola. And 31% is selling, general, and administrative expense. And then we can call it revenue, Treemap, Coca-Cola. So we can do that. But I want to keep the revenue. So let's edit filter. I want to keep the revenue here. Revenue from goods and service. But I want to add a calculation here. I want this number to be 100. And then all of this number times 2. How do we do that? Come here, calculation, and then edit in shelf. It will be here, the formula that use it. We want to times 2, and we get 1, 0.39, 0.31. Where is the percentage? We need to format it. Format. Numbers. Percentage. 100%. What if I want to switch here? I want the total to be above the percentage. Click on total and then move it here. We will swap it, no problem. To go away from this format here and go to the fields, just click on this X and then we came back to the total. So guys, that's it. And we can also filter here on colors for by different fields and so on. So we can also do that. But the basic for the tree map is here. Okay. And then here the sum, the blues, we can also change the color here. We don't want the blues, we want oranges. Come here and so on. We want to hide it, hide cards, and here we are. Easy, huh? And very, very interesting. Okay, and then we can change our fields here so we can add anything that we want. Okay, guys, that's it. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.